This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne London. Located in OAKDALE Farms on the east side, this large single-story ranch is a beautiful vinyl maintenance-free home on a crawl with a newer roof, new carpet and pad, new venta hood, primed and painted, new vanity and hardware. Surrounded by a rural setting, this house is a great starter home. With 4 large bedrooms and a large bath, this house has a utility closet and a large dining room. Welcome into the foyer. There is a double-sized closet and there is storage throughout the house. The house is cooled with a gas/pack heating and cooling system. There is a decorative fireplace and so much more. Don't miss the storage shed for those lawn care items. Parking for 4 cars, there is room to grow. Stop by today.